Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Knowledge Academy. The main aim of this lecture is to discuss about the TSPSC General Studies questions in a very detailed manner. If you like the content of our channel, then please to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button. So whenever you upload a new video, the direct notification comes on mobile. If any improvements needed in your video lectures, then please do comment in the comment section. We will definitely include all those improvements in the coming lectures. So why to waste more time? So let's get started. So now we are going to solve the sixth question. See the question here. Kurumurti Jatra is famous in the district of. So Kurumurti Jatra is famous in the district of. Option Nalgonda, option B Nizamabad, option C Mahbub Nagar, option D Hyderabad. So out of the four options, option C Mahbub Nagar is the correct solution of this question. So let's discuss something more facts about this one. So now we are going to discuss some of the important facts of this Kurumurti Jatra. So Kurumurti consists of three words which are the Kuru, Matim and Pati. The Kuru means to do and Matim means mind and Pati means husband. These are the three translations. So this temple is located in the Kurupati Hills, is present in the Ammapur village and it is present in the Mahbub Nagar district. So this Kurumurti Jatra is very famous in the Mahbub Nagar district. This temple is also called as the Lord Sri Venkateshwara Kurupati temple or the second Tirupati. This temple is famously called as the Lord Sri Venkateshwara Kurupati temple, or it is also called as the second Tirupati. This temple is a 630 years old temple and which was built in the 1350 AD. So this temple was a 630 years old temple and which was built in the 1350 AD. So the goddess is Sri Lakshmi Devi. The goddess is Sri Lakshmi Devi asked the Lord Srinivasa or the Lord Sri Venkateshwara or the Lord Vishnu God to have his presence on this Kurupati hills. So therefore the devotees can offer their prayers to this Lord Vishnu. So Sri Lakshmi Devi goddesses asked the Sri Lord Srinivasa to have his presence on this Kurupati hill, so therefore the devotees can offer their prayers to him. This temple was constructed by the Sri Mukkara Chandra Reddy. This temple was constructed by the Sri Mukkara Chandra Reddy and this temple was renovated by the Sri Rama Bhupal and the Kota Kapula. So this temple was renovated by the Sri Rama Bhupal and the Kota Kapula. These are the two peoples which are constructed and also the renovated by this temple. So these are some of the important facts of this Kurumurti Jatra. This Jatra was very famously in the district of the Mahbub Nagar district. So now you are going to solve the second question. See the question here. Who among the following has provided his personal residence to TRS office when the party was formed in the 2001? So option A Dr. Mallikarjun, option B Dr. M. Chenna Reddy, option C Kondal Lakshman Bapuji, option D Sridhar Reddy. So out of the four options, option C Kondal Lakshman Babuji is the correct solution of this question. So Kondal Lakshman Babuji has provided his personal residence to TRS office when the party was formed in the 2001. So let's discuss something more facts about this one. So now we'll discuss some of the important facts of the Kondal Lakshman Babuji. He was born in the 27th September 1915 and he was died in the 21st September 2002. So he was basically an Indian freedom fighter and he also met the Mahatma Gandhi in the 1941. Mahatma Gandhi is called as the father of the nation. And he also fought for the separate state of the Telangana and he also fought battle with the Nizam and the Razakars. So he was working very hard for the separate state of Telangana and he also fought battle with the Nizams and Razakars. So his house name is Jaladrishyam. Jaladrishyam is the house name of the Kondal Lakshman Babuji and this house is present in the Hyderabad. This house is present in the Hyderabad. In 2014, after his death, the Horticulture University in Hyderabad was renamed as the Sri Kondal Lakshman Telangana State Horticulture University by the Telangana government. So Telangana government has renamed this university, Horticulture University in Hyderabad, to the Sri Kondal Lakshman Telangana State Horticulture University in the 2014 year. On his name only they have renamed. And when the TRS was formed in 2001, so TRS was formed in the year 2001, he gave his house. The house name is Jaladrishyam. Jaladrishyam is the house of the Kondal Lakshman Babuji. He gave his house for the usage of the party office. So he gave his house to use as a party office. So he is the first person he gave his house to use as a party office for the TRS people. So TRS was formed in the year 2001. On 29th March 1969. On 29th March 1969, he was the first minister from the Congress to resign his post for the separate state of Telangana. So he was the first minister from Congress. He resigned his post for the Telangana from the year 29th March 1969. So from this year onwards, he didn't have any power. Means he left all the power which he wanted. So therefore, he has the courage to sacrifice and remains out of power for 4 decades for the achievement of the separate Telangana state. So from this day onwards, he didn't have any position. So he left all these powers. So for the separate state of the Telangana. His birthday is celebrated officially by the Telangana government. So his birthday was celebrated officially by the Telangana government. So these are some of the important facts of the Konda Lakshman Babuji. Now we are going to solve the 8th question. See the question here. Ramappa temple is named after. Option A, Rama Prataparudra, the ruler. Option B, Ramappa Pantulu, the priest. Option C, Ramappa, the sculpture. Option D, Lord Sri Rama. So are the 4 options. Option C, Ramappa, the sculpture is the correct solution of this question. So let's discuss something more facts about the Ramappa temple. We now will discuss some of the important facts of the Ramappa temple. So Ramappa temple is also called as the Ramalingeshwara temple. It's also called as the Ramalingeshwara temple. So this temple was named after the sculpture Ramappa. So Ramappa is a sculpture of this temple. So on his name only the temple was named, which is the Ramappa temple. So here, and it is located in the Palampet village. It is located in the Palampet village in the Venkatapur Mandal. It is present in the Mulgu district, 15 km away from the Mulgu, and it is nearly 77 km away from the Warangal. So here, and it was built by the Rechala Rudra Reddy. It was built by the Rechala Rudra Reddy, and the deity means the god which is present in this temple is Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva is the main god which is present in this Ramalingeshwara temple. So it was named after the sculpture Ramappa. So it is called as a Ramappa temple. We are going to solve the 9th question. See the question here. Name of the constable shot himself for the cause of the Telangana state. Option A, Kistaya. Option B, Krishnaya. Option C, Krishnamachari. Option D, Srikanchari. So are the 4 options. Option A, Kistaya is the correct solution of this question. So Kistaya is a constable who shot himself for the cause of the Telangana state. So now we will discuss some of the important facts of the Puttagogala Kistaya. He was basically a constable and he climbed the cell tower in the Kamareddy. So he was climbed the cell tower in Kamareddy, and in December 2009, and he shot himself for dead. So for the separate state of Telangana, he shot himself for dead. In his suicide note, he wrote that to continue the fast to death for the separate state of Telangana. So this is the thing which he wanted to tell to KCR, that please do continue the fast to death for the separate state. Srikanchari also set himself for fire in the LB Nagar in 29 November 2009 for protesting for the arrest of the KCR. Last question of this lecture. See the question here. Who is the Guru of the Swami Vivekananda? Who is the Guru of the Swami Vivekananda? Option A, Ramananda Paramahamsa. Option B, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Option C, Ramadeva Paramahamsa. Option D, Govinda Vallabha Paramahamsa. So are the 4 options. Option B, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa is the correct solution of this question. So now we will discuss some of the important facts of the Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. His original name is Gadadhar Chattopadhyaya. Gadadhar Chattopadhyaya is the original name of the Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. So he was basically the guru of the Swami Vivekananda. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa met the Swami Vivekananda year 1881 in the November month, and in the house of the Surendranath Mitra, the Ramakrishna Paramahamsa and the Swami Vivekananda met, and the Ramakrishna Paramahamsa asked the Swami Vivekananda to sing a beautiful devotional song. So then the Swami Vivekananda has sung that song, and he was very, very happy. The Ramakrishna Paramahamsa was very happy with the song which is sung by the Swami Vivekananda. Then the Ramakrishna Paramahamsa asked the Swami Vivekananda to come with him, and the rest is the history. And some of the important quotes of the Ramakrishna Paramahamsa are, God is in all men, but all men are not in God. That is why we suffer. This is a very, very beautiful quotation which is given by the Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, which is, God is in all men, but all men are not in God. That is why we suffer. This is a very, very beautiful quotation which is given by the Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. So he was basically the guru of the Swami Vivekananda. On the date of 1881 November, they both met in the house of the Surendranath Mitra, and the Ramakrishna Paramahamsa asked to sing a beautiful song and the devotional song. So on that day he sang that song and he was very very happy, and then he asked to come with him on this day, and the remaining thing is a history. By this lecture we have successfully completed the 10 more questions which are the previous year TSPS General Studies questions in a very very detailed manner. If you like the content of our channel, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button, so whenever we upload a new video the direct notification comes to your mobile. If any improvements needed in our video lectures, then please do comment in the comment section. We will definitely include all those improvements in the coming lectures. Thank you so much for watching this lecture. Keep smiling, take care and bye.